Hey everyone, so I made it into Target. Look what we have. $10 Best of Lip and Eyes. They are vegan friendly lip mask and your eye. I honestly could probably only go for the eye. The lip ones, they never stick. I say just again a sugar scrub. $10 and you only get 6 in here. Okay, so that is kind of pricey for only 6. Five Below right now, you get 10 for $5, so you can't beat that. But this is polar bear, moose, reindeer, penguin, snowman, and a unicorn. Now 12 days of Dreamy Skin, of course, is free men. These are 10. So again, Five Below, you get 10 for 5. You're just missing 2. And they also have like a peel off clay one, and you get the silicone brush for $10. And this one's going to be a 9-piece set. Letters to Santa, another face mask by Spa Life. Only 6 in here for 10. Oh gosh. They have a mini proactive, so that's going to be $20, like a mini travel one. Mighty Patch, this one is 20. A rescue balm, and here's the patches. Mini Hydro Star face. Okay, this one's gonna be 20. You get Hydro Stars, like pimple patches, and then like a party pack, like 3 envelopes on the inside. Let me see, what are the envelopes? They're like refill packs to prepare you for a pimple. I guess little pimple patches, and this one's gonna be 20. Let me pull it out. Calm Clear and Holiday Cheer, some moisturizing cream, and you do get the little roller Olay here at the bottom. It's $20.49. The Gift of Great Skin mini moisturizer duo pack with a free sleeping mask. Bright and Bouncy, this one's going to be 20. You get oat milk, that is a cleanser. Ginger and vitamin C, bright spot corrector. Turmeric and vitamin C, that's for under your eye. Serum shot, and then you get a moisturizer. Now this set is 15 by Urban Skin. Even Tone, Smooth and Glow, and then you get a cleansing bar. And one more. Let me get this one out. Skin Boost. Okay, little facial massage, and you get 2 serums in this for 20 bucks. I feel like you could go, to your favorite store and buy your own roller brush and your favorite serum for a lot cheaper. Bliss here is 20. Let me pull it up. Let's see, you get body lotion, tons of body lotion. You get 3, and then you get retinol, hyaluronic acid, and like a glowing spray. So in Walmart, they do have Bliss. If you remember that video, they're little tiny ones, so it was a little cheaper in Walmart. And this one's 14. Cookie Baking Crew eyeshadow palette. Revolution is 12 bucks. Wow, I can't believe that's 12. Everywhere else was like 10 or 5. Let's see. Hot Fluff Love, 20 bucks by Jason Rue for lips, eyes, and cheeks. NYX here is 20. We have Butter Gloss. Oh, that should be cheaper, I think. Holiday Shimmer, let's see, $10. Tinted lip balm, and this is 20. Pink About Me lip gloss set. We go down here at the bottom, more NYX. This one's 20. The jumbo eye pencils. Elf in here is 20. Wow, it says 20 right here. Eyeshadow sticks. These are metallic with glitter. These are 20 as well. A little manicure set is 20. An Elf, it says $15. You want a larger set, a 9-piece set, it's going to be 20. And bath bombs, you guys. These are 10. Holiday Surprise, Reindeer Balm, Gumdrop, and Santa Balm is Sugar Plum. Oh, look at this one, 6-piece. This is only 10. They're both 10 here. There's one more. Let me bring it down. It's kind of cute. This one's 10 as well. Look at that. You get the gold deer, little poop, reindeer poop action in your tub. And $10. Let's see. Vanilla peel off. You got frosted grape, pomegranate, cranberry and orange, maple spice pumpkin. That sounds good, right? Now scrunchies are 10. Pacifica is 15. Under eye patches, Glow Baby, like a face wash and lotion. Yes, 2 is only 13. You get a reusable sealed bag. So little minis in here on the go. And this is 20 for essential oil diffuser. 15. What is this? Good to go. But oh, are these like stuff? Yeah, okay, like stuff to drink, like bloating. Okay, fiber. Okay. This one's peppermint mocha. That's 15. I don't think I've seen that. This one's 13. And the little sampler is going to be 15. $15. And then more lip stuff. This one is 10. And then $5. They do have some hair care here. Holiday kit. Rice water, moisturizing milk. And a ride tooth comb. There's no price on these here. Temporary hair color. Oh, this one's 20. Looks like a red and gold. Curl defining hair kit. This one's 15. And then a hydrating one is 15. Burp Bees, $12.99. It's like a little gift set. It looks like, you know, makeup remover wipes, face mask, a gel cream for your face, and a cleanser. The set is only $5. You get a moisturizing lip balm and a mask only. Then of course the little mini packs. These are $9.59. Peppermint is really good. I do love the peppermint. And little tiny ones are $5. And mascara. This one's $11.50. You do get 2. This one's going to be $15 actually. The Paradise mascara set. And $5.99. Look at that. $8.99 liner and butter gloss. Ooh, it's a nude lip one. And $10 down here. And you get the primer and matte finishing spray. So that's good for a stocking stuffer. And butter gloss is $10. $5. Little ornament by Maybelline. And I have more nail polish. These are $13. So Makeup Revolution. Let me pull this one out. I believe this is for eyes. Shimmer Balm Trio. Oh, it's going to be a lip gloss. Okay, little lip gloss trio. And then by themselves, they're $2.99. Now this set is 10. You have lip gloss and a scrub. And then looks like a base and setting spray for 10. Hand care, $4. Look at that. Elfie ready. You have Take a Elfie. That's for your feet, obviously. More hand mask, feet mask. These are $2 on top. And you know they're like $1.50 and Five Below. So you could choose. It's a cleansing peppermint mud mask. Ooh, I wonder how that feels. They have frosted winter berry and snowflake jelly. And lump of coal is $5 here. These are pretty much all $5. They say $4.99 and $5, so I'm just gonna round it all for $5. EOS, these are $5. Hand cream, and then you get the lip balm, shea butter EOS. These are $10. And even this set, you get 10. You get body cream, hand cream, and the lip balm. Hey, that's the full size one, so that's not bad for 10. And Dr. Teal's looks like 10 as well. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in a Target on the little gift set. So I'm not finding so much of makeup yet, but hopefully soon, or I might have to hit up a different location. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.